Good morning. Daddy, where are you? Daddy, where are you? Ha! Uli ka! What are you doing? Daddy is cooking. Wow!
Oh, why are you here na naman? Ano na naman gusto mong gawin?
Rara, oh.
Nahanap yung oil ni Daddy, no? Hindi mo mahanap, no?
Ate ko, anong oil?
Ano pang ano ko?
Pamassage?
Ayun, no? Nakuha niya yung takip, eh. No! 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 No!
Wow. Parang yung massage mo ngayon with love, ah. Yung massage ni Daddy ngayon, Rara, with love. Ikaw? Massage mo si Mami sa back. Massage, Mami. Massage. Si Mami. Massage mo si Mami. Oh, isus. Yan yung massage mo. Ay, thank you.